Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I am going to show you how to make these easy but yet delicious cheesy and garlicky biscuits for the holidays. To make the biscuits, you are going to be needing 1 stick of melted butter, 2 cups of shredded cheese. I have 1 cup of sharp cheddar and 1 cup of Colby cheese. And you are going to be needing 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, and 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1 teaspoon of salt. I have 1 cup of milk I'll be using, 2 cups of all-purpose flour. And I like to brush a little butter on top of my biscuits when they are done. So I'm going to melt 1/4 cup of butter, and then I'm going to put a little bit of dry parsley flakes in there as well. I'm not going to add salt to that mix because my butter already have salt. And you are going to be needing parchment paper, and you are going to be needing a baking sheet to bake the biscuits. Don't forget to check the description box where I will list everything I use in this video. So let's get cooking, guys. So first thing we are going to want to do is add that milk to that butter and just do a quick mix and set that to the side. And now I am going to go ahead and grab my dry ingredients and just mix them all together. This is super easy. I don't know about you, but I love me some cheesy biscuits from Red Lobster. So when I make some type of pasta or when I make like crab cake, I like to make this to the side, especially now that I don't go out to eat. So when I'm craving this, I usually just make it myself. So now I'm going to take the wet ingredients, mix with the dry. Let me know what you guys been doing. Like, how is the COVID case in your city, in your state? I know, I'm sure you guys have heard in North Dakota, it's crazy out here. It's crazy, crazy, crazy. Just mix everything well. I sometimes don't really level my flour when I mix. So I always have a little more flour, but just mix it well. And don't over mix this. Okay. And now take your cheese. I'm going to do half at first and just fold that in. This recipe is super easy but super delicious. Hopefully you guys try it for Christmas. If you usually make regular buns, you can use this recipe instead. I know my boys love this. And now I'm going to add the rest of the cheese. Of course, it's going to get harder and harder to mix. But consider this your arm workout for the day. All right, just mix it well. If you haven't, please go follow us on our social medias, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and Snap. And also on TikTok and Pinterest. We are all over, guys. I hope everyone is staying safe because it's too much. All right, just like this. And now I'm going to do a little cleanup and then we can come back and put them in that tray. I've got my parchment paper situated here. And now I'm going to grab a 1/4 cup measuring cup and just place it in there. That way I know exactly how much I am putting. So some are not bigger than the other. Just place it right on top. You want to go ahead and preheat your oven to 425 degrees. We are going to bake these for 10 to 12 minutes or until they are nice and golden brown. And that cheese will just, oh my goodness, melt. If you want, you could chop up some garlic if you really love that garlicky taste. You could do that if you wish. Totally up to you. Hope everyone had a great Thanksgiving. Make sure you use those recipes over the Christmas and send me pictures or little videos when you do try the recipes. I really enjoy when you guys send me those. So I am just going to continue to put these. You see what I mean? They all the same size if you use a measuring tool. That way you are not guessing, even though it's a little hard for them to come out. I don't really bake, but there's certain things I do enjoy making. The easy baking stuff. And this is one of them. So I'm going to continue to do this and then throw them in the oven for 10 to 12 minutes. I told you guys this is a super easy recipe, so this video won't be long at all. And if you are new to the channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Hit that notification bell so you can get notified every time I upload. You don't want to miss out, guys. Okay, so I won't even flatten them too much. I just want to kind of push them down a little bit. Nothing crazy. Just like that. And now they can go into the oven. While that's baking, I'm going to go ahead and melt that butter for the topping when it's done. And I'm going to just put maybe 1 teaspoon to half a teaspoon of that parsley flakes, and then melt them together and just let that rest until the biscuits are done. All right, guys, we got our biscuits. I left them in for the whole 12 minutes. So now I'm going to go ahead and grab that melted butter and just brush a nice generous amount on top. Of course, you can do less if you don't like yours too buttery. But look at how gorgeous these look. Seriously, I don't think I'm going to go back to Red Lobster once this pandemic is done, because I do a pretty bomb biscuit. And they of course sell these on the box, but you really don't need much to make these at home. So don't even waste your time buying it from the box. I'm going to go ahead. Oh, my goodness. Look at that. Oh, I have to taste, of course. Oh, yeah. All I need is some crab cake or some type of pasta. Check out my crab cake video. Check the card that just came up. And check out so many other recipes I have that will go so well with this. But this will do it for this video, guys. I'm going to go ahead and keep eating some. I hope I have some leftover for my kids. But thank you guys so much for watching the video. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Comment, like, and share. And please try this recipe. And as always, please continue to stay safe. I love you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.